I'm in a 2017 Jaguar XF, and today I'm going to show you how you'd open your hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a lever here that will pull. This will pop the safety that holds the hood shut. If this is completely loose, you might need to dig behind this plastic, see if there's a cable that's loose. But we'll go to the front now. And you should see the hood slightly loose now, at which point we'll reach through. And the lever's right here, so I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And you should see these hydraulics are holding it up. And this is that lever I was pushing, which lead over to here, as well as this side. So it's got two hooks. If you're having issues with these lines, double check nothing's bent out of place, there's no debris stuck in here. Might need to spray some WD-40 on these to loosen them if they're really sticking. Also worth double checking that the hood's in proper alignment, because that could cause you issues as well if it's not closing straight. But here's where it was hooked onto on both sides. And then there's that where that safety was holding it down as well on each side. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.